Hi, it's Chris and Derek and
Disgruntled Chris. People want to know.
Yes, we're working on the Studebaker truck. Got actually a lot done. A lot of it was just small little things, like a lot of the wiring's done. We haven't videoed it because it's just tedious running a wire, crimping it. Yeah, that's just all tedious stuff, but headlights are installed. We made turn signals. Those are, originally they were just marker lights, but we're going to use them as turn signals.
Question, do they work?
No.
No, the headlights.
Headlights.
I'm sure the people want to see.
You want to see the headlights work? This switch?
I don't know. You wired it. Ah.
Whoa!
They do work.
And high beams do work too.
Yeah, you gotta go in.
Yeah, I got the high beam switch. I've got a separate switch for dash lights.
Oh yeah.
See through the dash there.
Yeah.
And these switches are just going to go into those. Headlights, dash lights, and choke. And I also got, if you go around that side, a bunch of wiring mess, but a little dome light.
I didn't, honestly, I was surprised when you said that's a factory deal.
Yeah, this is factory, yeah.
Huh.
Yep. So far as everything's working, I got partial turn signals wired up. I just don't have the back, so nothing's working because the back need to be grounded for this thing to work. But I got the high-low switch working. I've got brake light switch down there, and I've got, that's going to be future sender unit. Actually, let's see if I can ground it and see if I get anything out of the
The fuel gauge.
fuel gauge. Yeah.
Also on a serious note.
Serious.
Yeah, we were at the flea market today. The gust of wind blew my cap off. It was clean right into a mud puddle. That's a true story. I
Yeah.
was like, son of a bitch.
Breaking news.
That was breaking news. This is my propane accessory cap. Strickland, Ireland propane.
You know the sad part that happened to me with my Motley Crue hat.
Yeah, so I'll wash it tonight. But yeah, stupid
Okay,
wind.
gas gauge is moving.
Oh, that's good. And I do have
Yeah.
the right gas gauge sender unit coming.
Yeah.
And more importantly, tell what we bought for this thing this week. It rhymes with ass, you
yes.
idiot.
The things that are supposed to go right here. Yes.
Remember, people, you can pick your friends, but you can't pick your family.
Yeah, ordered glass from, I ordered from that Bob's.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bob's,
Bob, is that where I got the new J?
I think that's where you
Yeah,
got
from yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that was it.
So that's on its way.
Is it on schedule?
Now the glass hasn't shipped yet, but it's been ordered, confirmed. I just haven't gotten the shipping confirmation.
Actually, I should look at my credit card to see if it got billed.
That's,
I was
yeah.
also saying the entire truck. Is it ready to be done this summer?
Oh yeah.
It'll be, yeah, it'll be a good 95%. It'll be on the road, I'm hoping. Like we still plan on doing an getting interior kit. That's not going to get done this summer, probably.
No.
If it's about 90% done roadworthy, you know it's going on the road.
Yeah, and you can see we painted
Yeah, I noticed that today.
painted that white. We still have to mask that off, paint this all white in here, and this is just stay body color. Yeah, as you see, we haven't done anything with the bed because
We'll wait until we can put the glass in here, close this up, and then kick it out and do the box.
yeah, we decided to go in a different direction and just
Shaking the thing.
concentrate on cabs. So we had the stuff available. We
Or
still
just saying, it's not too late. Hot rod, you could just have a gray primered box.
no, that'll rust.
You fucking suck.
Exhaust is gonna be coming. We gotta order that still.
Amazon?
Yeah.
You're like just a welder kit.
Yep.
Get the stainless. Don't get the cheap one like what I buy.
Well, I went to order it the other day, but those two stupid uprights we want the 4-feet,
Yeah.
they were sold out, so
Oh.
I stopped on that.
Yeah, splurge a little
Okay.
extra and get stainless.
Yeah.
Like I said, I did that for the Henry. It was nice, and then I bought the cheaper pipe for the Pontiac when I did,
Yeah.
and it's already started rusting, so I gotta clean it and just flog it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Ryan's supposed to get sheet metal to make the gas tank.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a custom gas tank. We're gonna have to.
Sure, a jerry can.
Yeah.
I want something a little bit bigger.
Jerry can.
Yeah.
Run 2 jerry cans.
And then we got the power steering hoses lines for this. We just got to get Ryan to convert them
Yeah.
from the Dakota rack and pinion to the Dodge Diplomat or whatever it was.
And we got a speedometer cable that works.
Oh yeah,
Did that show up
speedometer cable for a '61 Pontiac.
Did it show up?
Yeah, showed up, hooks up everything.
Yeah.
If it worked for 60 Pontiac, why don't you just go to that Ford where Tim's here and grab the cable out?
Could have.
We could have, but we didn't know if you'd be cool with it, so I just went and
And
bought one.
I don't know if it would be long enough.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
no, I would have been fine with it.
It
and
cost like $10.
it might have been seized.
Oh, if it was
and-
$10, oh.
Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah.
I thought it was like $100.
So I'm guessing they're all standard
Yeah.
size
Yeah.
threads to hook up with a Ford gauge. So, yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of little stuff we have to do, like the brake proportioning valve. We got to replace that. 'cause
Yeah.
Got a cheap, faulty one.
Buy a good one. Willwood.
Yeah.
We did. You got me one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's what I'm saying. I got a spare 1 or 2 at
Yeah.
home that.
Oh, I know. Got the doors working really good. Move,
Oh, yeah,
kid.
all the rubber moldings on the doors.
Down there. And that's how nice the door shut.
Yeah, and we got waiting for the. Well, we got to get the glove box
Yeah.
lock, a key made, but that
On the way.
on the way.
I was gonna say if not, just go to mobile, and they can make keys. Whatever.
Yeah. Yep. But yeah, a lot of this wiring stuff we didn't bother filming because we were on a roll and
Yeah.
just wanted to get shit done. And
I'm waiting for an email right now because there's a store closes at 6 o'clock, and me and Casey might go back to the city. I got something made.
Store?
Today. Yeah. Staples.
Okay. Cool.
Top secret.
Almost got hit in the process.
Oh, a lot of new drivers are not very good. It's like almost a demolition derby in the parking lot.
shift boot there. Still got to put the shift boot in there. We got one. We got to put that on. But
Oh, we still got lots of things
yeah,
to do.
there's
but-
tons.
Kev still got foam, eh, for a seat, or?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely got some foam.
I bought a set of hog rings. So
Uh-huh.
good ones.
Yeah, don't buy those cheapy ones.
Yeah. They were printed all over.
Yeah,
terrible.
Princess All ones are garbage. No offense, Casey.
Key on. Nothing's smoking, so my wiring is somewhat. It looks like a mess. Well, it is a mess, but this is all going to be tidied up. Some of this stuff's going to be hidden behind that. Yeah.
You mean all of it?
No.
Just think even your
Most of this is because it goes on the side, so most of that's going to be shown. But it's just going to go either here or that way, and
We'll tidy it out.
Hey,
Yeah.
Boyd Coddington. Was it quinky ink or was it on purpose that you did the wiring to match the paint? Asking for a friend there, Boyd. When you gonna start wearing the Hawaiian t-shirts?
no Hawaiian t-shirts here. Those things are.
Come
Actually,
on, Mr. Coddington.
you know who? Dad just got one the other
Oh God.
day. You might actually show up in the next video on one.
Well, There you go, folks. Something to look forward to. You can ridicule Kevin wearing his.
He's not a big party animal guy. Line off The Simpsons.
And we still haven't fired it, just because we're lazy.
You
Yeah.
don't know if it even works.
Oh, it will.
Yeah, it'll work. It's a brand new engine, pretty much. Worked the last time, or the last block it worked. This is just a different block. All the internals are basically the same. Yeah, it'll run.
All right, we'll get back to work again.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
we'll probably get going.
Okay, more progress, of course, off camera, but it's pain in the butt stuff. Turn signals work. Show you. I'll turn the key on. It's a process.
Oh, there's that one
That one,
and that one.
and that one, and you can even come in here. And I made the little turn signals up here work with little green filters on them, so that works. The brake lights work. The headlights work. The headlights work with the brake lights, and the brake lights work with the turn signals. The only issue we had is I was having a problem with getting the turn signals to work first, and it's all because these Amazon lights, which we're gonna get rid of. Just because they're the way they're wired. This one's a dual filament. This one's a single filament. So this one's for turn signal, but this one's for lights and brakes, which is different because usually turn signal wires are the brakes. So I can't wire them up. I can't make, yeah. First I tried to use the dual filament for taillights and brake and turns, but it ended up rerouting wires and making the headlights flash.
Yes.
So I disconnect that. So we're gonna replacing those with regular 1157. Well, getting rid of the whole situation there.
Yeah.
Going with just nice round ones from Speedway with 1157 bulbs in it. Dual filament bulbs. It'll make life a lot easier. Yeah, the headlight. And we just finished. Took a few hours to mask that, and only 10 minutes to paint it, but
Wow. Perfect.
yeah, turned out very nice. Makes the girl pop.
Yeah.
So we're still gonna replace these bulbs, turn signal bulbs with some amber bulbs, just to make them flash out better. But we had Ryan here earlier working on the power steering, hooking the power steering, the old power steering system to the new rack that came with the Dakota chassis, but we're having problems with their adapting stuff, so it's still a work in progress. So we can't put the grill on until that's done because it's easier to do it. So that'll be next week issue. So all the headlights work, all the taillights, well, once we get rid of those crap. But, exhaust pipe Derek just ordered, so it should be here by next week. So we're gonna do the exhaust and partial exhaust until we get to the gas tank, and then build a gas tank so we can put the exhaust underneath it, so we get the right spacing, basically. And yeah, so it's coming along. Yeah, once we get that, then we'll do like we said. We'll push it out. Well, we're getting the glass orders. That's coming. Hopefully in a couple weeks. It should be here. Put that in. push this outside, do the fenders, rear box, and the fenders, and the tailgate. So that's our next biggest thing. So
Yeah. That'll take a couple weekends.
yeah, we'll film a bit of that because wiring. How many times can you see me cut and strip and crimp ends on wires? But we did. We had some old cloth covered wires, so we ran all the cloth basically wherever you're gonna see it, which is pretty much almost everywhere on this truck. The only thing we didn't use that is to run to the tail lights. We just used regular trailer, the 4-wire trailer light stuff, and spool that, and that'll work out perfectly. But yeah, everything's actually going very good. So hopefully we'll next video. Hopefully we'll get this thing started for you.
Yeah, we're getting very close to doing that.
Yeah, I have confidence that the wiring is all fixed for that. So since I got lucky with the turn signals and everything worked the first. Well,
Yeah.
except for those tail lights, but that was my only issue. Other than that, everything seems to be working fine. No burnt bulbs and no power drain so far. No smoke. So doing something right. So
That's a lot of wiring right there.
yeah, a lot of mess, but we'll tuck it up, tape it, and make some nice cable looms or something so they're nice as we can, basically.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is just a simple update. No work done. Well, no work you saw. But we've been working on this for, I don't know, for a few weeks now since our last video. So
Yeah.
getting little things done, even little rubber bumpers are in there.
It all takes time.
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully we'll have actually some more exciting stuff to do on our next video for this. But thanks for watching, and as always, keep commenting on what color rims we should put, because we're not going white walls. We're gonna go black wall tires. So keep that in mind. We're not doing old school white walls. So just regular black wall. So keeping that in mind. Either red, white, black. So figure that out for us. Okay, thank you.